These are the examples from Lesson 1.2, Types of Data. Example 1. A pollster asks a group of 6 voters about their political affiliation, Republican, Democrat, or Independent, their age, and whether they voted in the last election. The results are shown in the following table. Question number 1. How many individuals are there? Well, we can see from the example that there were actually 6 people who were questioned about their political affiliation and their age and whether they voted. Question number 2, identify the variables. The variables are going to be the columns up here in our table, specifically their political affiliation, the age of the person, and whether or not the person voted in the last election. And question number 3, what are the data for individual number 3? Well, individual number 3 is this line right here. Individual number 3 is a Democrat who is age 21 and did not vote in the last election. Example number 2, which are qualitative and which are quantitative? A, the number of patients admitted to a hospital on a given day. Since the number of patients indicates we are looking for a number or a quantity, A is considered to be quantitative data. B, the model of car last sold by a particular car dealer. Since this one is not looking for a specific number or quantity, this data is considered to be qualitative. C, the name of your favorite song. Again, this is not looking for a particular number or amount, so this is considered to be qualitative data. D, the seating capacity for an auditorium. Since this is looking for a specific quantity or number, this is considered to be quantitative data. Example 3. Which are nominal and which are ordinal? A, the names of the streets in a town. Since these street names don't generally have any order to them, we'll call these nominal. I know there are some towns like Washington, D.C., and I think New York City as well, where they number the streets going one direction and they letter the streets going a different direction. But in general, we can say that the street names really don't have any particular order, so these are going to be nominal. B, the movie ratings G, PG, PG-13, R, and NC-17. These data are considered to be ordinal. They do have an order. C, the winners of the gold, silver, and bronze medals in an Olympic competition. Again, these are ordinal. You would not want to give the third place finisher the gold medal because they didn't earn the first place finish. These are ordinal. Example 4. Which data are discrete and which are continuous? A, the number of female members of the U.S. House of Representatives. Since we can count each female representative in the U.S. House, these are considered to be discrete data. B, the amount of water used by a household during a given month. Well, we can't be sure how much water we used exactly. I mean, did we use 2 gallons? Did we use 2.5 gallons? Did we use 2.15 gallons? I mean, how exact are you going to be? So this is considered continuous. C, the number of stories in an apartment building. Since we can physically walk up the steps on each story of an apartment building, these are considered to be discrete data. D, a person's body temperature. Well, again, we're talking about what's the regular body temperature. Is it 96.8? Is it 96.81? Is it 96.79? This is considered to be continuous data.